My wife never met an empty space she didn't want to fill. Spare rooms, closets, my head, this lonely patch of patio. Eventually, the shrimp fills them all. So it came as no surprise when she declared her intention for me to build her a gazebo for our new patio. I mean, what else was I gonna do? Relax? The one she had in mind was a real beauty, a SunJoy 13x15 two-tier wood frame hardtop gazebo that would keep us shaded during the day, protected from rain, and would look amazing lit up under the stars. Relaxing could wait. I had a gazebo to build. I transported all of the pieces from the driveway to the patio in a wheelbarrow, and then my babes and I started our build on a cold and windy northwest Florida day. Now, if you can build IKEA furniture, you can build a SunJoy gazebo. The instructions are picture-based and easy enough for a semi-lobotomized gorilla like me to understand. The wood beams come disassembled and not a single piece of the gazebo is too heavy, even for the shrimp. Piece by piece, we assembled the cedar boards into longer boards, and then we stacked those boards to create beams. I used an impact driver when working on the wood elements of the build, but I switched over to hand power later on. Really, the whole gazebo can be built with a twist of the wrist. After squaring up the posts with the beams, we were ready to go vertical. The hollow core cedar posts allowed little old me to lift the frame up all by my little old self. It was a windy day, so I braced the frame before lifting up its counterpart. My babes helped me lift the beams into place, and we had the makings of a fine gazebo. Of course, this was the point at which the shrimp took a good hard look at the placement and decided it just wouldn't do. Of course it wouldn't. Now, I said the gazebo elements were light, but come on, we just bolted a bunch of them together. Fortunately, we had a couple of dollies in the garage, so we were able to lift two posts up on wheels and move the gazebo to a more suitable location. After screwing rafter brackets to the top of the posts, my babes and I bolted knee braces to the beams and posts. After that, the wood elements were finished and it started to rain. Rain, wind, thunderstorms, tornado warnings, and a long-awaited visit from my parents, whom we hadn't seen in 3 years, delayed the next phase of the build. But by the time I got back out there, the weather was perfect. From here on out, I was pretty much a one-man show. I'll say it again, this SunJoy Gazebo is an easy build. Over the next couple of days, I worked on the gazebo here and there while entertaining my parents. My babes was busy with her 9 to 5, so I took my time, enjoyed the weather, and built a beautiful gazebo. I only needed the shrimp's help to lift the first roof frame up, and my mom even got in on the action. After that, it was smooth solo sailing as I screwed together all the roof support elements. When I started laying roof panels, this collection of cedar and metal started to look like a proper gazebo. The panels were simple to install, but youch, it's best not to work on them in the full sunlight. After laying the upper ridge caps, I started in on the lower roof panels, working my way around until the panels were all in and the last ridge cap was screwed into place. Our SunJoy Gazebo is finished, but because we can get some wind here in Florida, I bolted the floor joist to the concrete with 3/8 inch by 1 3/4 inch Tapcon screws. Well, if you've been following us on social media, you know that since winter I've been busier than a one-armed monkey in a banana tree, but with this build, I can finally relax. Ha, nah, I'm just joshing you. I'm still up to my ass in alligators, but I will tell you this. I am going to sit in this gazebo every night and drink a martini, rain or shine, after each and every hard day of building a better home for my babes and me. I already know I'll find the shrimp out here listening to the birds and watching the sky darken as the sun sets on another damn near perfect day in the Emerald Coast. For a 13% discount on all non-sale items, follow the link below to visit SunJoy's online shop and use discount code THENAVAGEPATCH at checkout. Don't let another summer slip by without treating yourself to the affordable luxury of a backyard gazebo. Work hard, relax easy. SunJoy's got you covered.